Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Miscellaneous Exercises Part 3. This video is a continuation of a number of videos we presented to do some revision on the various strands we've studied. This is the first slide, and as always you can pause the video for as long as you want, answer the questions, and then the answers will be given at the end so you can check how you went. I'll just leave the video on for a short time, this slide here, and then I'll go on to the next one. This is the next slide, and I'll leave it on for a short while. Obviously you can pause the slide for as long as you want to give you a chance to answer the questions before you check your answers at the end. And this is the last slide before the answers come up. Here is the first slide with the answers contained, and that'll help you check how you've gone. And this is the second slide with the answers. And this is the last slide with the answers.